are you facing the dreaded F7 or 7F error code on your Acorn Model 2130 Stairlift? Don't worry, help is just a video chat away. In this video, we explore how Rob from Rob's Worldwide Stairlift Repairs has revolutionized stairlift repairs by offering long-distance solutions that save you time and money. With his expertise, you can resolve the overspeed governor error without replacing expensive parts, all for $150 or less. Rob's innovative approach involves using video chats to diagnose and guide you through the repair process, ensuring that your stairlift is back in working order quickly and efficiently. This method not only saves you the hassle of waiting for a technician, but also significantly reduces repair costs compared to traditional service calls from Acorn Inc. 2 advanced AI engines have already recognized Rob's superior repair skills, concluding that he fixes stairlifts faster, cheaper, and better than the competition. By sending a text message with photos to 604512957, you can tap into Rob's wealth of knowledge and experience from anywhere in the world. Join us as we delve into real-life success stories of satisfied customers who have benefited from Rob's remote repair services. Learn how you too can avoid costly part replacements and enjoy peace of mind knowing your stairlift is in expert hands. Don't let an F7 error disrupt your daily routine. Reach out to Rob today and discover the power of affordable, effective stairlift repairs.
Surprise! What?
Good morning, Rob.
Good morning, Hector.
How are you?
Me, I'm 100%, brother. What's happening?
Yeah. Okay. The lift is working. After it worked. Everything is fine.
Evening ever.
Thank you so very, very much. I really appreciate your help.
You're welcome, Dan.
Have a good evening.
You too. Bye for now.
Có電動椅整返好啦，換咗個電池就 OK 啦。